How to log in or join Weverse account. Login or signing into the Weverse account is very easy and simple. Just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now launch Weverse app on your device. Once you launch it, you will get access to this kind of interface where you can see login or join at the bottom of the screen. Simply you can swipe and you will get access to this login or sign up page. Make sure you already have created account on Weverse. So let's enter our credential to log in. Once you have entered your email, you need to simply tap on continue with email and then enter the password of your account. Once done with all the credentials, tap login button. If you forget your password, you can tap on forget your password link and easily recover from there. Or else you can also log in to Weverse account with the help of Twitter, Google or Apple ID. Now let's log into our account. Now tap allow so that viewers can send you notification or else you can tap on allow, that depends upon you. You need to agree to receive events and professional alerts. If you wish to disagree, you can tap on the disagree button as well. Once you're done with all the things, tap OK button and now you can cross those all the pop-up messages if you find it irritating. So that's it. That's how we easily log into Weverse account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching.